In today's video, I'll show you how to use Granola AI on iPhone. First, make sure you have the Granola app installed on your iPhone. To download it, go to the App Store, search for Granola, tap Install, and wait for it to finish. Once installed, tap Open. Toggle on I accept, then you'll see two login options: Continue with Google Calendar or Continue with Microsoft. Choose whichever you prefer. For this tutorial, we'll use Continue with Google Calendar. Tap it and you'll see a pop-up saying, if you can, sign in with your work email. Tap OK, then tap Continue and choose an account. For this tutorial, I'll use a personal email, then tap Continue. Tap Select All to give Granola access to your calendar, then tap Continue. Wait for it to finish loading. You'll then see a message saying, Granola works better with your work email. You can choose Sign up with work email or Continue anyway. For this tutorial, we'll continue anyway. Tap Next, then you'll be asked where you heard about Granola. You can skip this step. Next, pick the option that best fits your daily work, then tap Continue. Granola will then ask for notification access. Tap Enable Notifications, then tap Allow. You'll see a message saying, you're all set up. You can now start taking your first notes with Granola. Tap Get Started. On the home page, you'll see your upcoming meetings in the Coming Up section. You'll also see a phone icon, a new button to create a note, and a chat box below. Tap the phone icon. You'll see a message saying, Take Granola notes on outbound phone calls. Tap Next, then tap Get Started. Enter your phone number and tap Add Phone Number. Granola will call you to verify your number. Once verified, you can use this feature to record meetings during phone calls. When you're done, go back to the home screen and tap New. Tap Continue, and when prompted with Granola would like to access the microphone, tap Allow. You can now start your first note. When your meeting starts, tap the New button and you'll be taken to the note screen. You can start typing your notes and Granola will automatically transcribe the meeting. You'll see the live transcription shown by the green lines. You can pause it during breaks and tap Resume when the meeting continues. Once the meeting is finished, tap the End button. Granola AI will start generating your notes. Just wait for it to load. After the notes are generated, you'll see a summary of your meeting created by Granola. You can share it by tapping the Share button. Tap the three-line icon to edit the title or summary. You can also view the full transcript. Once you're done, tap the down arrow and you'll see your new note saved on the home screen. And that's it. That's how you use Granola AI on iPhone.